Hello guys, another video from my car. As every Saturday or almost every Saturday, I've been traveling for a few weeks, so it's so good to be back with another video from my car. And from tomorrow we're back on this channel to usual stuff, so usual daily videos. The Livewire series has ended and we'll get back to one new topic per day. But today is Saturday and a video from my car. And today I want to talk about empathy, which is not about development, it seems, at all, right? But quite often I see this scenario that developer is blaming another developer for poor code, poor performance, for not performing on the task, taking too much time on the task, or different reasons. So there's quite a lot of kind of blame culture among developers, and I suggest to lower it down. So if you see someone else's code, which is obviously bad, there are usually reasons for that. That reasons are not necessarily about the quality of knowledge of that developer. Maybe they were very pressured on time by their managers or their peers. Maybe they don't have experience with specific function they were assigned to. So sometimes some developers need to perform some jobs where they are not qualified, and that is not their fault, just because, for example, these days kind of everyone needs to be full stack. But what if I'm not full stack? Historically, personally, I am a Laravel developer and I'm not that good with Vue.js or React. I can write code with those frameworks if I need to. So if there's some tasks about that, I can do the job, but obviously my quality would be lower. Also count some external factors not related to the code. For example, pressure in the company itself. Maybe bad relationships with manager or teammates or something. That also affects the performance. And then outside of the office, recently I've read a wonderful, honest and open article by former Laravel employee Mohammed Saeed, who had difficulties with the child sleeping not so well, and it genuinely affected his performance on all levels. So imagine not sleeping for a while, constantly not sleeping for a while, and it's hard to perform and it's hard to write good quality code when you're not sleeping and you're not kind of healthy enough. So next time if you see someone not performing or writing kind of bad quality code, first thing ask if that person needs your help. Maybe help with learning something they don't know, maybe help with planning the tasks better, maybe help in general in life. Maybe if you're a teammate, you could take over their tasks if you feel that they need some time off or pressure off or something like that. And in general, we need to communicate with each other from the point of empathy. Even for myself, it's kind of a lesson to myself as well. When reading the comments, some questions are obviously from very fresh junior developers who cannot even Google themselves, it seems. But I don't know why they didn't Google that question. Maybe, for example, their English is pretty bad and they cannot Google. And of course, they need to learn that. But meanwhile, at that moment, they need a solution to their specific problem. And I can provide that solution. So from the point of empathy, I shouldn't think that that person should Google themselves. I should help first, and then maybe add additional sentence on how to Google that problem, how to phrase the keyword into the search query. So yeah, more empathy to each other, including in the comments below this video or my other videos, and see you guys in other videos.